Did you eat some cranberries?
Nei, det er bringebær.
Taste good?
That's good.
It's a bee!
Yeah. Oh, that's a bee.
Wait.
Nei.
Do the smoke.
And a beanie. That's Beanie Maya. That's Beanie Maya. You know Beanie Maya?
No.
You know Beanie Maya? You don't know Beanie Maya? And maybe that's only German, no? Beanie Maya. Maybe
Ano
it's
binibali natin?
kuan kanang kinder children videos.
Ow.
Wala ko ang ama. Oh my
Ah,
God.
Norwegian.
See, honey. It's huge.
Ato na isug ba? That's a zucchini.
Wow.
Yeah, there is a zucchini. Oops. Da ist auch noch da hinten.